Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you about transportation and this is our lesson 3. Today we will discuss about the following terms: transportation, transport, transport in plants, transport in animals, blood and their types, functions of blood, difference between arteries and veins, human circulatory system, double circulation, heartbeat, blood pressure. Okay, so now we will discuss about at first the name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Transportation. Transportation is also life process like nutrition, respiration. Transportation are also called life process because without this process we cannot able to live. So transportation are also called life process. That life process in which a useful substance are absorbed and carry out from one place to another place are called transportation. It means ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एक ऐसा लाइफ प्रोसेस है जिसमें शरीर में जो बॉडी में जो यूजफुल सब्सटेंस है उसको उस स्थान तक पहुंचाना, उस प्लेस तक पहुंचाना जहां उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, और जो शरीर की जो हानिकारक वस्तुएं हैं, जो हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस हैं, वो शरीर से, बॉडी से रिमूव कराना ही क्या कहलाता है? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहलाता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ट्रांसपोर्ट इन प्लांट्स एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट इन एनिमल्स. ट्रांसपोर्ट इन प्लांट्स. At first we will discuss about transport in plants. The process of transportation in plants by the two tissues which are also called conductive tissue. You have read in your previous classes about tissues, and in that tissue also you have learnt that conductive tissue that tissue which helps to conduct the water and minerals from one place to another place, this type of tissue known as the conductive tissue. Conduct मतलब ढोना, कैरी करना. So this type of tissue are called conductive tissue. There are two types of conductive tissue: xylem and phloem. So here we will discuss about these conductive tissue, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are helped in the process of transportation. Xylem, at first we will discuss about xylem. Xylem is that conductive tissue which is absorbed water and minerals from the roots and transport to the upper part of plant are known as the xylem conductive tissue. It means at first xylem सॉइल से, अर्थ से जो वाटर और मिनरल्स है उसको एब्जॉर्ब करके उसको अपवर्ड यानी ऊपर की दिशा में उसको भेजता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज आर नोन एज द conductive tissue and their name is xylem. And after the conduction of water and minerals, If xylem helps to absorb and conduct to the water and minerals in the upper part, then phloem conduct to minerals and water and transport to them the all part of the plant. It means xylem and phloem, xylem help to the water, जो xylem and just से we can also say that in treat jal and xylem, j से xylem, j से jal. So and phloem also help conduct that water and minerals from the xylem and reaches all the part of the plant. Now we will discuss about transport in animals. The process of transportation in animals is completed through heart, arteries, veins, and also the process of expansion and contraction. So we will discuss about blood and their types. At first, blood and their types. What is blood and their types? How many their types? Blood are connective tissue. A liquid connective tissue are known as the blood, and approximately 90% water are present in the blood. At first, if we discriminate here, at first plasma. What is the plasma? In plasma, due to the presence of plasma, the blood in the form of liquid. प्लाज्मा के कारण ही ब्लड जो है, ब्लड का सैंपल लिक्विड के फॉर्म में है और अप्रोक्सीमेटली 90% वाटर आर प्रेजेंट इन द प्लाज्मा एंड blood donor donates the plasma and doctor receive the amount of blood in the form of plasma. And their types are, bloods are classified into three forms: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC red blood cell या red blood corpuscles and WBC white blood cells or white blood corpuscles also we can say, and platelets. Now we will discuss about their types. RBC. The scientific name of RBC, thrombocyte. And their lifespan during 120 डे. इसका जीवन जो है, इसका लाइफ जो है, जीवन काल वो 120 डे रहता है. एंड देयर साइंटिफिक नेम इज thrombocyte and their color is red color in the by the presence of hemoglobin. हीमोग्लोबिन की उपस्थिति के कारण ही आरबीसी का जो रंग है, जो कलर है, वो रेड होते हैं ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन पिगमेंट विच प्रोवाइड्स द रेड कलर टू द ब्लड. एंड WBC lives 7 days, and if we calculate ratio here, RBC and WBC, then we can say that 600:1. यदि RBC का 600 रेशियो है तो WBC का कितना होगा? 1 रेशियो. The amount of WBC is very less, and they help to they provide infectious diseases. WBC provide infectious diseases. And now platelets. Platelets live 2 to 3 days, and they help to clotting to the blood. Clotting to the blood. Functions of blood. What is the function of blood? Transport of CO2 and oxygen, O2. It means blood carry the amount of oxygen and CO2 in the form of respectively carboxy hemoglobin and oxyhemoglobin. If hemoglobin combine to oxygen, then it is known as the oxyhemoglobin, and hemoglobin combined to CO2, then we say that carboxylic hemoglobin. They maintain the blood maintain our body temperature. Blood maintain our body temperature. Blood carries transport oxygen and CO2. Blood transport the all types of nutrition which are taken by us. So they are the functions of blood. Now we will discuss about arteries and veins. Difference between arteries and veins. Arteries and vein. Artery and vein. Artery carry pure blood. Veins carry impure blood. Artery are thick. Veins are thin. They are found in the underlayer of skin, under part of the skin, but they are found in the upper part of the skin. It means artery प्योर ब्लड को कैरी करता है, वेंस इम्प्योर ब्लड को. इसकी जो थिकनेस है ये अधिक होती है किसकी कंपेयर में? वेंस के. ये आर्टरी जो होते हैं ये अंडर द स्किन, यानी कि ये हमारे बोन्स से अटैच्ड होते हैं, छिपे होते हैं काफ़ी अंडर पार्ट में, बट वेंस इज द अपर पार्ट. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. About heart. Children, this is your figure of the mechanism of the heart. आप इसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो और आपकी बुक में जो दिया है वो भी सही है और ये भी सही है, इसको भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. इस पे मैकेनिज्म आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएंगे. सो ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, द प्रोसेस ऑफ सर्कुलेशन ऑफ द हार्ट is take place due to the systole and diastole. It means हार्ट का जो प्रोसेस है सर्कुलेशन का हमारी बॉडी में, सिकुड़ने और फैलने की जो प्रोसेस है उसके थ्रू होता है, यानी संकुचन और शिथिलन के कारण. एट फर्स्ट impure blood are carried from the tissue by vena cava. It is the main vein, and impure blood carry at first right auricles, and due to the systole of the heart, impure blood goes into right ventricle, and due to the systolics of right ventricle, they the impure blood goes into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. And impure blood, here blood are impure. Now lungs filter them, and after the filtered blood, they go into the left ventricle by the systolic, and after them they goes into the left ventricle, and further the blood reaches, the pure blood reaches all part of the body through aorta. Here pure blood are which are carried from the left ventricle through aorta, and finally they goes into the tissue, and this cycle is completely running from a specific time. So this is called human circulatory system. Heart, the outer layer of the heart, which are protected by a membrane, is known as the pericardium membrane. Pericardium membrane helps to the heart from the outer heart. पेरिकार्डियम मेम्ब्रेन जो है हार्ट को बाहरी चोटों से, बाहरी आघातों से बचाता है. कौन? पेरिकार्डियम मेम्ब्रेन. Between the heart and pericardium membrane, a liquid are found which is known as the pericardial liquid. And also they help to the outer heart, Now we will discuss about double circulation. You know, here blood carries, the impure blood carries, and after the purifying the blood, again they carries and transport through the left auricles and left ventricles. So it means we can see that blood travel twice through a heart. This process is called double circulation. It means blood travel twice through the heart. This process is called double circulation. Similarly, we can see that blood हार्ट से होकर 2 बार गुजरता है. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से टिश्यू, राइट ऑरिकल्स, राइट वेंट्रिकल्स, and through the pulmonary artery, after lungs, left auricles, left ventricles, and through the aorta. They finally, so they travel twice through the heart. So this process is called double circulation. दोहरी संचरण. Heartbeat are defined one relaxation and one contraction. It means एक बार ब्लड का रिलैक्स होना और एक बार उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होना हार्ट का क्या कहलाता है? हार्ट बीट कहलाता है. हार्ट बीट, द प्रोसेस ऑफ वन रिलैक्सेशन एंड वन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, 1 बार कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं और वन टाइम्स रिलैक्ट होते हैं. तो द प्रोसेस ऑफ 1 टाइम्स रिलैक्शन एंड 1 टाइम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन आर नोन एज द हार्ट बीट. एंड यू नो, in 1 minute our heart beats 70 to 72 times. 70 to 72 times in 1 minute our heart beats. In a rest, if we live in rest, then our heart beat 70 to 72 times in 1 minute, and during exercise our heart beat 100 times in 1 minute. Okay, now we will discuss about blood pressure. What is a blood pressure? Blood pressure, pressure means दबाव. ब्लड किसका दबाव? ब्लड का दबाव. कहाँ? हमारे स्किन की, हमारी बॉडी पर, यानी कि प्रेशर एट विच ब्लड इज pumped around the body by heart. Pressure at which blood is pumped around the body by heart. It means हार्ट के थ्रू हमारे बॉडी पे जो प्रेशर बनता है, कब प्रेशर बनता है? जब ब्लड पंप्ड होते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रेशर known as the blood pressure. Normal blood pressure, it means normal BP, is known as classified into 120/80 mmHg. Hg mercury. And blood pressure are measured by an instruments through sphygmomanometer. You will see sphygmomanometer in your nearest medical. Doctor use sphygmomanometer for measuring the BP, blood pressure of the patient, and it means 120/80 systolic. It means जो हार्ट के थ्रू जो सिस्टोलिक प्रोसेस होता है, हार्ट जो यानी कि मैक्सिमम आप देखते होंगे डॉक्टर पंप करते हैं, एयर जब देते हैं तो मैक्सिमम 120 तक ले जाते हैं. उसकी मरकरी, उसमें जो मरकरी है 120 तक, और फाइनली उसको छोड़ते हैं तो लास्ट में यदि 80 आता है 120/80 देन ही नॉर्मल. इफ 80, 70, 60, 80 से कम या ज़्यादा हो तो कुछ बता देंगे, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. सो नॉर्मल बीपी जो इंसान का होता है, मनुष्य का, ह्यूमन के होते हैं, वो कितना होते हैं? 120/80 mmHg होता है. सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर जो होते हैं हमारी बॉडी का वो 120, एंड डिस्टोलिक प्रेशर इज 80. एंड एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विच इज यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग अ ब्लड pressure is known as the sphygmomanometer. Okay children, thank you.